Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay with spendable funds on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we're just going for the spendable funds article on eBay. And from here, we can learn about how to use the spendable funds. So as you can see, spendable funds are just a new way for seller to pay for items on eBay using the proceeds from their sale. So basically now you will be needing to enroll for to be eligible to use the spendable funds so you can be able to do it. So basically you will need just to go uh, to the link in your invitation email and select on enroll now. And basically, if you are eligible, you'd already like receive the email for or the invitation email, and you will need, as I said, to click on enroll now. This will be shown in your invitation email, and from there you will be able to start using the spendable funds. So first, in the enrollment, you will be asked to enable the two-step verification on your account as a method or a measure of security, and agree to the spendable funds term and conditions. And now to start paying for an item with your spendable funds, you will need just to go to the checkout. So whenever you are going to buy anything, you will need just to go to the checkout page, and from there you will need just to click on buy it now, and now you are on the checkout page. You will go and add your card, and then another option that will be added when you pay you will need just to select the spendable funds. So from here you will find spendable funds that will be added for you, and if doesn't cover the full amount, you can add an additional payments method, and then you select and confirm pay, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.